Hi there and welcome to IronWorks Brewing. Today we're looking at whether we can make some minor improvements to the Kegland Bucket Blaster. Okay, so this is, most people will be familiar with it. There's a video, I'll put a card up here or over here or in the description to a video I did recently about the Kegland Bucket Blaster. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. It's been a bit of a game changer, particularly these disconnects, so you can connect to your oxy bar or your cornelia keg and actually clean all the lines right the way through. So because with the kegs they can be a bit of a pain, but this is absolutely fantastic. Nothing wrong with this at all. Right bit of kit, but I just thought actually there might be a way of just slightly improving it. So I've got a few spare parts that I had for another project, and the first thing I'm going to do is I've got some of these quick disconnects. Because one of the things is the bucket's fantastic, the kit's amazing, but to get the lid on you have to disconnect and unscrew it and all of that kind of stuff. And although it's made out of good quality engineered plastic and the fittings are all good stuff, I just thought actually in and out, 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 to actually pack it away when you're not using it, put the lid on, can be a bit of a pain. So one of the things I've been thinking about is actually using some disconnects. So I've got one that's got the half-inch, just put it over here, I've got the half-inch BSP thread on it, and then sort of obviously the disconnect, and then the opposite one is the connector itself, half-inch thread there. So my idea is to put that, screw that into there. That's pretty much permanent. You could put some PTFE type tape if you're that bothered about it. And then this bit goes into here. Move that out of the way. And then essentially all you're doing is you're just dropping that on there, pulling the levers up, spring that away, and that's it. That's locked into position. Then when you're ready to pack it all away, you just do the two things, drop it down into the bottom of the bucket, job done. Now the other thing I thought of was, this is great. Great amount of force and pressure comes out of here, considering the sort of the small size of the pump. But I've also seen, so this is again screw off, half-inch BSP, these tank cleaners, stainless steel, just basically rotates under a bit of water pressure. I'll put a link down below where I got this one from. I think it was Amazon. But essentially that just screws on there. I've actually ordered a smaller one as well, which I'm thinking might be useful to connect onto my flexible sparge arm as well. So I'll show you that one in a future video when it arrives. But essentially that goes on there. That drops onto there. They close up. And you're good to go. How simple is that? Okay, so that's the bucket blaster set up, ready, and we'll just give it a quick test. We'll get I haven't got a clear one, I'm afraid, but just whack that onto there and switch off. Just take it off the camera now, hang on a second. Sorry for the background noise. It's doing a cracking job. Yeah, so there you go. I think it was 10, 12 quid, something like that. Like I said, I'll drop the link in the bottom. I'd got these already from another project. You don't need to do that kind of stuff. I suppose you can unscrew it. I'm just concerned about the wear and tear on the threads when you're packing it away. No, great piece of kit anyway, but just a slight improvement. Like this video, please do like and subscribe, and all the best for 2026. This is the first video. Loads and loads more content to come over the coming weeks and months. So please do like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so that you're getting all the latest videos and information that's being released. And thanks again. We'll catch you soon.